So we found from the Making the Future project, you know, we work a lot using creative technologies and digital technologies because we find that it's a really good way of getting people to engage with serious issues. So we always mix it up a bit, you know, with the likes of having the talks on the first day is one way of engaging them, but we find that sometimes that doesn't stay with the participants. But then we use digital technology to kind of help that engage with them and help those messages kind of sink in.
Working with the Making the Future project, we have come together with a concept that is to bring young people from all different races and religions together during an intense summer programme to really discover about inclusion in football and diversity within the game.
So we've came together to engage with some really strong themes of racism, sexism, inclusion in sport and sectarianism, and we've been responding to them with a group of young people creating augmented reality and virtual reality experiences where the kids have got the chance to have their voice and have their say on the issues that we've explored.
Hi, my name's Laura and I'm 17 from Sandy Row and I take part in everybody's game and love hearing everybody's stories.
Hi, I'm Larry, I'm 15 years old and I play for a team called MSCNA. Football is a very fun sport and I really enjoy it and playing with other people that I've never seen before. And this week we've learnt about filmmaking, how we make templates on canvas and learning how to use the green screens app as well.
What the guys from Making the Future in there are bringing to these young people, augmented reality, virtual reality, green screens, digital platforms, it's just, you know, opportunities that not everybody's getting at the minute. And I think coming out of the pandemic, to offer a summer programme where we can invite people in and it's in this setting and it's through football, which they all enjoy, but it's adding that digital platform to it has really engaged them and it is really exciting for both them and us as coordinators.
We've had a lot of fun this week, it's been great crack and the kids have all left with lessons that will stay with them and last with them. And they've all got a free hoodie and a free Google Cardboard headset too, and we've been getting fed every day, so all around it's been a brilliant experience.
And it's just all about giving young people that platform to get mutual understanding, to learn with each other and from each other, and to really use football as that hook to give people lifelong opportunities and positive pathways together.